A project that could take earlier 1 to 2 weeks recently completed playing prototype in 40 minutes by using the AI. Productivity point of view, it surprised me, but also make me think about those people who are dependent on this project. In this video, we are going to take a look of 6 industries where AI is creating serious impact. Not sometime in the future, but it is happening right now. I will also share how AI is impacting my own software development business, training business, course sale business, client work and job opportunities. With me till the end because I'm also sharing what I am doing personally to move with AI. Says let's begin with industry I understand the best, the IT industry. When ChatGPT was launched, it was possible to write the code, but now it is possible to create whole project, not even in the Unity but also in the web development, with application development. There are so many AI tools that can be integrated in your editor and that can write whole code for you. It was required 100 people. Now it have reduced headcount in the project. As I shared with you that the work was taking 1 to 2 weeks. Now we are able to do in the minutes. We are also able to see in the market because there are so many big companies are firing people because they are restructuring and they are reintroducing the AI with the less number of the people. With the use of AI, they are able to achieve same level of work. And we have seen Meta have fired thousands of developers, Box have fired thousands of developers. So there are so many companies it is happening right now. So we are in the transition phase. As a IT engineer, we are going to suffer a lot in 1 to 2 years. In between, what we have to do, we have to prepare ourselves. We have to fight for ourselves. Otherwise, it will be not a good situation for us. In the market, everything have been disrupted. Like as my own business, we had lots of work last year, but now we have less work than previous year, and it is not happening with me, or even if you are thinking it is happening with you, but everyone is facing the same problem. Because whenever I'm talking to friends, whenever I'm chatting on the LinkedIn, everything is going on the same situation. And even I talk with my one client and he responded me that some work is doing on self by using the AI tool, and hopefully you are also experiencing. So if you want to share in the comment box, so please, you're most welcome. And it is great idea, like people don't want to share their own thing, they just fight in their own mind. But it is okay to share, it is okay to write. Might be you get some new idea, might be someone learn from your experience or whatever you are going through. Talk about next industry that is also related to with me, art. Because as a game developer, I work with the graphic designer, I work with the 3D artist. Even in my own business, we have hired at Nested Mango Private Limited. You know that I am the founder of it. We have one 3D artist and we used to create 3D model to sell for the game developers, as well as who create the printing item like 3D printing, you must have heard. But there are so many websites like Tripo, they are creating amazing work, and there are a flaw like they are very high poly. Slowly, I think in upcoming 6 months they are going to be a much more mature. So currently our that business is also getting impacted slowly. Whenever we were creating the prototype, so we had the artist, we had the lighting engineer, but now everything is going to do by the AI. So you can see where there was 3D artist, there was texturing, so people were doing that thing, and we have the graphic designer who were designing the thing, but AI doing that thing. Whatever they were taking time 3 to 4 days there, but now AI is doing in minutes. Very much impacted by this. Next industry we are going to talk about, third one, that is the filmmaking. I am just including everything, like we are able to give the prompt and create the videos, next level of videos. Even
I want to open a Sukanya Samriddhi account for my daughter.
Sure, here is the application form for you.
Earlier we required a camera person, expensive camera and director, actor, but whatever you want to create kind of videos or something, the advertisement kind of video or something Marvel style. So we are able to create next level. Even there is one AI which was creating it was feeling like we are watching the Marvel movies, and it was using their characters. Marvel reached out to that company, and due to some legal issue, so they stopped creating or stop using their characters. You know that Hollywood movies, how much cost to make them, but now if you are going to invest some amount, not that much, but you can say 10%, 20% of amount, and you will be able to create that amount of work. So So it is really amazing. Fourth point is writing and office work. Sometimes, rarely, as a developer, I had to create the PPT and I was finding very hard. But now I take only 5 minutes, 15 minutes to create top level of the PPT. And sometimes when I create the videos for my YouTube channel, take the help. Basically, I describe my ideas, what I am thinking, and then it create the PPT for me. So it is also great thing. And earlier for writing the description of my YouTube channel or writing the mail, I was writing, but there was so many grammatical mistake. But nowadays, everything I use AI to write my mail. I just give them context and it creates. So it is amazing. Like we are able to perform so many stuff. A fifth point is that is the manual inspection replaced by the AI. Basically, when it comes to my mind because my wife work in the electronics company, as well as I discussed with my one friend who worked in the repairing system. Earlier, everything, whenever there was some issue, so he was going there, checking the thing what is wrong, and on the basis of that they ordered the tools or whatever required that thing. But now they are using the IoT and AI, their company, and that is also really big company. So due to that, they are able to figure out that what is wrong, and before visiting on that place, they know that what is going on there. That is great thing. And even in the electronics company, they are using the AI to detect something a human have was there is some problem or something is incomplete, able to figure it out. So everywhere we are getting the impact of it. Next one is customer support. So you know very well about like people we are integrating on our on website. Even we can create the character and it can, if someone is going to visit, so they can talk about anything. And if there is something complicated, so at that time we need the human. But most of thing, if you are going to fill the data, because in the Unity I have also created the bot, character bot, where if I am going to feed with the data, so it is going to talk like if I am feeding the data that you are the Ramkesh Singh and these are the things related to Ramkesh and how Ramkesh think, so it is going to respond that way. So this is also a really great thing. And if we are talking about that where AI is making the huge impact in the industry, that is last point, that is the finance also. Because in the finance, what happening is like people are losing the job, and due to that, when we were earning more, so we used to buy the things, and due to that, like people are not spending, so spending power is going to decrease, and due to that there are so many companies going in loss. If I'm going to example of the electronics, even there are so many mobile companies going in the loss. So it is not AI impacting in the only IT industry or art industry. It is a circle. One industry is going to impact it, so some impact we are going to see in other field also. Let's talk about what I am doing. So I am doing lots of things. First, I am the Unity developer. I am figuring out to get the client so that I can start working and get some money. But it is really difficult nowadays. Even I try to get the job, and after applying 20 places, I just get 1 to 2 interviews rarely. And one interview, they give me the 2D game to create and give us 2 days, but I create in 40 minutes. But I share with them, but I don't know what they like or don't like. Due to that, it is really hard time for developers. But if it is complicated, also client do with the AI, or they hire, if they need 4 people, so they hire only 2 people because they know that AI is going to boost them. So this is about this. This is about Unity game development. And second is my business. So in my business, we are in the course selling as well as on YouTube. On Nested Mango, we used to create the videos related to Unity game development, AR, VR. From my there is a huge drop in the course selling as well as views on the YouTube. So it is really highly impacting. So you know that AI is impacting as a Unity developer to me. And in business, I told you on course selling as well as on my YouTube. And in business, we have also one thing that is dependent on the 3D model. We have one artist who create the models for the game environments as well as for the 3D printing. So you know that game environment is able to create by AI, even 3D printing also. 3D printing have some scope of 1 to 2 months or might be 6 months, because when we use the AI there, so they create the high poly and which create the problems when they are going to print. So we are working there, but we know that in upcoming 6 months it is also going to impact. So right now AI is impacting everywhere, as well as I'm also trying to learn much more stuff, taking the courses to learn about the AI. I'm exploring that what are the AI tools, and I'm really passionate about the learning, because I have also created the real bots who can where characters have we have given the data, and they are behaving like me or whatever person you want. I have also integrated the AI. I know that part, but I also learning so many tools, which one is better to create the image, which one is better to create the video, which one is responding based, and what are the other tools. Like I also try the singing. Basically you can create the song there, so that is also amazing. And creating various kind of videos. Even on my YouTube channel, I am using AI to create the b-rolls. So whatever you have seen in this video, I have used the AI to create the b-roll. I'm trying to focus on much more on the YouTube. Nested Mango, we used to just share only Unity related video, but now we are diversifying it so that we exist in the future. Other channel that are the technical channel, so that is going to be much more focused on the AI. And being YouTuber, it is really advantage, because I have learned a lot and I keep learning new things. So that's amazing thing. And I have one blogging channel. So when we used to travel or something amazing in life, so share there also. For weeks I'm doing in the minutes. What I will request to you, that if you are content creator, start creating much more. If you are normal person, so start learning, because future is about multi-talented, multi-skills people. And in upcoming 1 to 2 years, it is going to difficult for the developers, artists, because last year there was less layoffs. We have seen lots of layoff. 1.5 lakh people have been impacted. Question, please let me know in the comment box. If you have any suggestion for me, you're most welcome. Want to chat with me, you can message me on LinkedIn.